Okay, so sitting like that, inside the boat, out to the side. Okay, your feet need to be resting on something. If you have a look inside your boat, you know what you can do, then you can relax. You can bring your knees together. But if you're trying something different, you want to go a bit faster, always put your knees back to the side, sit up straight. Okay, remember which one. Right, okay. In a minute, you're going to slide into the water and just get used to your boat. You're going to stay nice and close to the beach. Okay? Be really careful about the other end of your paddle and the person next to you's face. Okay? Whenever you're ready, go.
I'll take you.
Peter!
Fantastic! Hi, wait to stand on my boat. It's okay, you stand on my boat. And then pull it to the other end of the jet and go out the way for me. Your hair's not wet though, is it? Not so bad. Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Excellent, well done. Right, now your boats are full of water. They're a bit wobbly. Okay, so just take your time. Don't do anything sudden like leaning to the side. And I'll meet you over by that power boat. Your fins are all up at the moment, so if you want to put your fins down, you can do. You do this.
What do you think,
Stick on the yellow bit on the back of your boat. So you're pulling a massive wheelie to the front of your boat miles up the water. No, that's not. Get further back than that.
What, Matt?
Put your feet in the water and on the inside. You can't sit on the
That's what he's saying. What?
Yes. That's him.
Stand up first.
Push your boat up onto the shore for me. Push your boat up on the shore. Tiger, make sure you've got your paddle with you. No, just pull that well and then leave it there.
Oh my god, that's foot so heavy. There's water in it, I know. And now all the sand is getting into the way. That foot's so heavy.
Right, okay, Tiger, leave your boat and bring your paddles.
Pizza. I got half damn it.
Yeah, go on. Why don't you say, Julie, come over and bring your paddles. Go on. You have to go over there.